Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're looking at the Able Carry, the daily backpack. This is X-Pac fabric, and it's laminate sailcloth, which is 100% waterproof, so that's cool. And this is deep black color. This is a 20-liter backpack, and you would use something like this on a daily basis. It's only 20 liters. It's got the front pocket here, and there's a key catch holder right there that's built in, and this right here goes all the way to the bottom and top of the backpack, so it reaches top and bottom. Now there isn't a padded bottom here, it's just the fabric, so if you put in a laptop, I would say put it in the main compartment. So that's this section right here on the very front, and then you have the zipper right there that makes it 100% waterproof, which is nice. And then we'll go inside here on the top. There's a Velcro piece right there to keep it all connected. A zippered mesh compartment, you can see through that right there. And this is wide enough to store a battery pack or something else of that length. And then there's a compartment right here that has a nice firm backing to it, and on the bottom it's padded, so you could put a laptop in there or a nice big tablet. Okay, now we're going to go across here on the other side. This is another zippered compartment, and you have something here to store something tubular and long right there. And then here's the other compartment right here. This is underneath the front part of the backpack, and this goes halfway down, so that's a half height compartment, zippered compartment right there. And then on the back, let's take a look at these shoulder straps. Nicely padded, very thick, looks like material that can breathe quite well. Also, if you're in a humid environment, these right here bump off the back, so this right here can breathe, so you won't get a huge sweat stain on your back when you're carrying a heavier backpack. And this is good for a daily carry backpack. Also the same material, the X-Pac, on the shoulder straps. And you have extra strapping here, and this is a very thick strapping that they've made. 4 layers right there. And there's also a catch right here with the logo. And then on the very top, there's another zippered compartment, and that makes a nice tight seal right there. So inside, it goes about to here on the backpack. So in the top section, it is a hard backing, and then some padding right here on the back of the backpack, and that seals up right there. All in all, it's a thinner backpack. It's good for, like its namesake says, daily carry. It's got several compartments inside, and you can also buy this X-Pac fabric kit to go along with it. It's got one zippered open compartment, and it is also waterproof as well. So that matches with this Able Carry, the daily backpack, 20-liter size, in deep black with X-Pac material. I like this backpack a lot. It's an easy one to work with. It also has a bottom area here to latch items onto, so that's nice as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.